Welcome back, YouTube family. This is the Sub-Zero Vlogs, back with another video just for you guys. As you guys can see, I'm over here in my loft. I wanted to give you guys this update on exactly what's happening next, not for the car, not just for the channel, but me as well. I've had a lot of you guys asking me exactly what's going to be going on with the Subaru, what's next, what the next mods are. So I thought I'd make this video for you guys and tell you guys the top 5 mods that I'm going to be doing next for the Subaru WRX, guys. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I said, guys, keep doing the right things in life, keep staying motivated, keep staying blessed, and keep at it, guys. Let's have a good one. Let's get to the video. Peace. Yo, I finally did it, man. I went and I bought myself a steering sport wheel, man. I got myself my very first steering wheel. This is something I've always wanted to get done for a car of mine that I've modded. I've actually never bought an aftermarket steering wheel for a car, but I wanted to go ahead and get this awesome deal by the company that sold me this. Alright, y'all, so the first thing I wanted to get done for my Subaru WRX is a steering wheel, and I went ahead and got a steering wheel. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh yeah, this steering wheel feels good. Oh yeah, hey, take a look at this. Woo. Look at this. Oh yeah, this looks and feels good, man. Wow, I really like the grip. It looks really nice with the flat bottom right there, especially with my carbon fiber WRX symbol right there. That's gonna be amazing. Just the red, the top right there, the carbon, the red, the stitching. I love the way the stitching looks. Stitching looks really good. Man, I gotta say, I love the way that looks. So the first thing, guys, I already technically just got the mod, but the first thing is going to be getting a steering wheel for the WRX. Now, all we gotta do is get it installed. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna do a voiceover for this video simply because I did the video at the beach side, but it was very windy that day. I do need to get a better microphone, but as you guys can see, this is the stock steering wheel and how it looks. But overall, this is gonna really bring up the interior of the car. First year was exterior, second year was performance, third year is gonna be interior mods for the Subaru WRX, guys. So the second thing I'm gonna be focusing on is, yes, guys, I'm gonna be getting a new wrap for the Subaru WRX this year. I know a lot of you guys really like the color. I know a lot of you guys really like the scheme, the shape shifting, the color changing, the chameleon-esque type of color that I have with the Subaru WRX, but it is time to go with the change. I've actually been doing a lot of subtle upgrades and getting ready for the next color. As you guys see, I have a lot of red accents, a lot of carbon fiber on the car, so I'm going to be definitely taking that into consideration for the next color. Let me know down below what color you guys think I'm going with the Subaru WRX, but I am so excited for what's coming next, guys. I'm really excited for it. I'm looking forward to it, and it's gonna really make the Subaru, I think, take the car and this channel to the next level. But most importantly, it's a color that I really have always wanted. I've always wanted this color for a car, and I'm excited to finally be able to do that for the Subaru WRX, guys. So one more time, down below, let me know what color you guys think I'm gonna do for the Subaru WRX. The third thing I'm gonna be doing for my Subaru WRX, guys, is gonna be getting new seats for the car. As you guys saw from a previous video, the driver's side seat and bracket is broken. Definitely want to get something that's gonna last much longer, be much more sturdier, be much more comfortable, but be better race heavy. These seats were good for what they were for, but ultimately I want to get the best products for my car, so I'm going to be getting new seats. So the third thing that I'm going to be getting for the car very shortly is actually going to be seats. The fourth thing that I want to get done for the Subaru WRX is going to be a new dash, guys. I really want a new dash for the car. This come that time, I want a screen, something that's gonna really brighten up the interior. The first 2 years I focused on exterior and performance. This year I really want to focus on the interior styling of the car, especially with the carbon fiber accents. I think it's gonna be dope if I get a screen. And number 5, guys, is gonna be side skirts. I really want side skirts for the car. I think it's really gonna just make the car look that much meaner, that much wider, and that much more aggressive. I already have a very aggressive custom diffuser and splitter, and I think side skirts right here will really make the car stand out that much more, guys. So I'm really excited for the changes that I'm going to be doing for the car. All right, guys, so I was over here filming the Subarus you guys see, but everybody check out my man right there. What is your name, my man?
Walter, man.
So tell me, what about cars do you like?
Man, I don't really know, but I just like how the car guys, they put so much work into their engines and stuff like that. It just makes it beautiful. Look at those paint, look at the dubs, man.
I appreciate that, bro. Thank you so much, man. What I love about doing cars is basically you can build anything, right?
Yeah.
So, like, I think you said you like Honda Civics and GTRs, right?
GTRs and Honda.
So, what are your favorite kind of GTRs and Honda Civics?
I like the R34 mostly.
Oh, okay, cool. Do you like it for the styling, the sound, the performance, mixture of everything? Yeah, perfect. So what I love about cars is you can build an R34 that's strictly just like, I want to make the best sounding R34. I see you have a camera, man. You do a lot of like shooting yourself, camera photography.
Just like a couple of months ago, my mom just gave this to me.
Okay.
I mostly just like take pictures of people. I asked, can I take a picture of you and like stuff like that. Put up on Instagram and stuff like that.
And say your Instagram for the people.
It's Valter, Valter.
Tell me, Valter, what is your favorite part about my car? I like to ask people who come up to my car what they like most about the car. There's so many different things about the car, so everyone kind of has a different opinion. But tell me, man, what is your favorite part about the car?
It's like everything, honestly, but mostly the engine, because how everything styles up. It's just beautiful.
You actually saw me when I first pulled in.
Yeah, I saw you up there.
Oh, damn! So you walked all the way down. Oh, geez, hey, bro, thank you, man, for coming by and check out the car, man. Next time you're in Long Beach, bro, hit me up. I'll take you for a ride somewhere.
Really?
Yeah, bro, I'll take you for a ride.
I can start it for you.
Have a great day, man. Thanks for checking out the car. Guys, go ahead and check him out. He's gonna have some awesome content. You might get that BMW. You might see him on the channel in the future.
Maybe in a couple of months.
Maybe a couple months.
I go to Ukraine for summer, and yeah.
There you go. So you're going everywhere.
Yeah.
The world tour. All right, I like it, guys. All right, let's get back to the video. One more time, guys, thank you so much for subscribing and following and liking my videos on YouTube. One more time, shout out to my man earlier for just coming by and checking out the car. Never met him. He literally just saw the car and came up and felt confident enough to have a conversation. I want you guys to know, if you guys see me, come up to me and talk to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk cars. Let's talk life. Let's talk about anything, guys. I want to inspire and motivate everyone to go after their dreams, just like those before me have inspired and motivated me. Everyone have a blessed day. Have a great day. And be safe, guys. Peace.